Fluent English practice.
Hello. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good. What's your name?
My name is Anna. What's yours?
I'm James. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too.
Where are you from?
I'm from New York. And you?
I'm from London. Do you live here?
Yes, I live nearby.
That's great. Do you like it here?
Yes, I like the city.
Me too. The people are friendly.
Yes, very friendly. What do you do?
I'm a teacher. What about you?
I'm a doctor.
That's interesting. Do you like it?
Yes, I like helping people.
That's nice. Do you work every day?
No, I work 5 days a week.
Which days do you work?
Monday to Friday.
That's good. Do you work long hours?
Sometimes. Yes. What about you?
I usually finish at 4 p.m.
That's early. You are lucky.
Yes, I have more free time. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m.
That's early.
Yes, I drink coffee first.
Me too. I need coffee every day.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat bread and fruit.
That's healthy. I usually eat eggs.
Good choice. What time do you sleep?
Around 11 p.m.
I sleep at 10 p.m.
That's early.
Yes, I need more rest. Excuse me, can you help me?
Yes, of course.
Where is the train station?
Go straight and turn left.
Straight and then left.
Yes. Walk 2 blocks.
Okay, 2 blocks.
The station is on your right.
Thank you. Is it far?
No. Only 5 minutes.
That's good. Do buses go there?
Yes. Bus number 10.
Where is the bus stop?
It's across the street.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Oh no. Where is my sister?
Did you lose her?
Yes. I can't see her anywhere.
Where did you last see her?
Near the bookstore.
Maybe she went to the toy shop.
Good idea. Let's check there.
Do you see her?
No. Not here.
Should we ask the staff?
Yes. Maybe they saw her.
Excuse me. Have you seen a little girl?
She is wearing a red dress.
And she has short hair.
The staff said she went outside.
Let's hurry. She might be nearby.
Look, there she is.
Oh, thank goodness.
Sister, why did you go alone?
Don't scare us again. Okay.
I'm so relieved we found her. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, but your voice is soft.
Wait, I'll move closer.
That's better now.
Where are you?
I'm at the train station.
Oh, are you traveling?
Yes. I'm going to visit my cousin.
Nice. For how many days?
Just 3 days.
Are you free tonight before leaving?
Yes. After 7 p.m.
Let's meet for coffee.
Sounds good. Where?
At the cafe near the library.
Okay. I know that place.
Great. I'll see you there.
Should I call you when I arrive?
Yes. Please do.
All right. Talk to you soon.
Bye. See you later. Hi. Do you have plans this weekend?
Not yet. Do you?
I was thinking of going to the park.
That sounds nice. Which park?
The one near the river.
Oh, I like that park.
Do you want to come with me?
Sure. I'd love to.
Great. We can walk and relax.
Can we also have a picnic?
Yes. Good idea. I'll bring snacks.
I bring drinks and fruit.
Perfect. What time should we go?
How about 11 a.m.?
Works for me. Saturday, right?
Yes, Saturday morning.
I'll pick you up at 10:30.
Okay, don't be late.
Don't worry. I'll be on time.
Great. I'm excited already. Hi, you don't look well.
Yeah, I feel a bit sick.
What's wrong?
I have a headache.
Did you eat breakfast?
No, I wasn't hungry.
That might be why.
Maybe, but I also feel dizzy.
Do you want some water?
Yes, please.
Here, drink slowly.
Thanks. That helps a little.
Should we go to the doctor?
Not yet. Let me rest first.
Do you need any medicine?
I think I need something for the pain.
Okay, I'll get some.
Thank you. You are kind.
Don't worry, just relax.
I'll try. I hope it's nothing serious.
It's probably just tiredness.
Yes, I didn't sleep much last night.
Then rest now. I'll stay here.
Thanks. That makes me feel better.